Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Smart Tech. In this video, I have bring 100 important MCQs question with answer related to UPSC, State PCS, PRB, SSC, Bank, Computer Operator, Clerk Exam, etc. To join our channel, please subscribe our channel Study Smart Tech and press the bell icon to watch all our new updates. Question number 1. The term computer is derived from option A Latin, B German, C French, and D Arabic. And the correct answer is option A Latin. Question number 2. Who is the inventor of difference engine? Option A Alan Turing, B Charles Babbage, C Schumacher Cray, D Augusta Adaming. And the correct answer is option B Charles Babbage. Question number 3. Who is the father of computer? Option A Alan Turing, B Charles Babbage, C Schumacher Cray, D Augusta Adaming. And the correct answer is option B Charles Babbage. Question number 4. Who is the father of computer science? Option A Alan Turing, B Charles Babbage, C Schumacher Cray, D Augusta Adaming. And the correct answer is option A Alan Turing. Question number 5. Who is the father of personal computer? Option A Edward Robert, B Alan Turing, C Charles Babbage, D none of these. And the correct answer is option A Edward Robert. Question number 6. A CPU contains option A card reader and a printing device, B an analytical engine and a control unit, C a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, D an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. And the correct answer is option C a control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Question number 7. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? Option A user interface, B language translator, C platform, D screensaver. And the correct answer is option A user interface. Question number 8. The first computers were programmed using option A assembly language, B machine language, C source code, D object code. And the correct answer is option B machine language. Question number 9. ... is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Option A network, B peripheral, C expansion board, D digital device. And the correct answer is option A network. Question number 10. Coded integers which are used to gain access to a computer system are called option A entry codes, B passwords, C security commands, D code words. And the correct answer is option B passwords. Question number 11. Which of the following statements is true? Option A mini computer works faster than microcomputer, B microcomputer works faster than mini computer, C speed of both the computers is the same, D the speed of both these computers cannot be compared with the speed of advanced. And the correct answer is option A mini computer works faster than microcomputer. Question number 12. You organize files by storing them in option A archives, B folders, C indexes, D lists. And the correct answer is option B folders. Question number 13. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Option A printers, B speakers, C floppy disk drives, D keyboards. And the correct answer is option A printers. Question number 14. Which device is required for the internet connection? Option A joystick, B modem, C CD drive, D an IC card. And the correct answer is option B modem. Question number 15. What is a light pen? Option A mechanical input device, B. Optical input device. C. Electronic input device. D. Optical output device. And the correct answer is option B. Optical input device. Question number 16. UNIVAC is option A. Universal automatic computer. B. Universal array computer. C. Unique automatic computer. D. Unvalued automatic computer. And the correct answer is option A. Universal automatic computer. Question number 17. CD-ROM stands for option A. Compactable read-only memory. B. Compact data read-only memory. C. Compactable disk read-only memory. D. Compact disk read-only memory. And the correct answer is option A. Compactable read-only memory. Question number 18. ALU is option A. Arithmetic logic unit. B. Array logic unit. C. Application logic unit. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option A. Arithmetic logic unit. Question number 19. VGA is option A. Video graphics array. B. Visual graphics array. C. Volatile graphics array. D. Video graphics adapter. And the correct answer is option A. Video graphics array. Question number 20. IBM 1401 is option A. First generation computer. B. Second generation computer. C. Third generation computer. And D. Fourth generation computer. And the correct answer is option B. Second generation computer. Question number 21. MSI stands for option A. Medium scale integrated circuits. B. Medium system integrated circuits. C. Medium scale intelligent circuit. D. Medium system intelligent circuit. And the correct answer is option A. Medium scale integrated circuits. Question number 22. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is option A. 1.40 MB. B. 1.44 GB. C. 1.40 GB. D. 1.44 MB. And the correct answer is option D. 1.44 MB. Question number 23. WAN stands for option A. Web area network. B. Wide area network. C. Wide array net. D. Wireless area network. And the correct answer is option B. Wide area network. Question number 24. MICR stands for option A. Magnetic ink character reader. B. Magnetic ink code reader. C. Magnetic ink cases reader. D. None. And the correct answer is option A. Magnetic ink character reader. Question number 25. EBCDIC stands for option A. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. B. Extended bit code decimal interchange code. C. Extended bit case decimal interchange code. D. Extended binary case decimal interchange code. And the correct answer is option A. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Question number 26. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Option A. Printer. B. Keyboard. C. Mouse. D. Arithmetic and logic unit. And the correct answer is option D. Arithmetic and logic unit. Question number 27. CAD stands for option A. Computer aided design. B. Computer algorithm for design. C. Computer application in design. D. Computer analog design. And the correct answer is option A. Computer aided design. Question number 28. Junk email is also called option A. Spam. B. Spoof. C. Sniffer script. D. Spool. And the correct answer is option A. Spam. Question number 29. Hackers, option A, all have the same motive. B. Break into other people's computer. C. May legally break into computers as long as they do not do any damage. D. Are people who are allergic to computers. And the correct answer is option B. Break into other people's computer. Question number 30. What type of computers are client computers? Most of the time. In a client server system, Option A mainframe, B mini computer, C microcomputer, D PDA. And the correct answer is option C microcomputer. Question number 31. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the option A compiler, B loader, C operating system, D assembler, and the correct answer is option C operating system. Question number 32. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called option A double space, B line spacing, C single space, D vertical spacing, and the correct answer is option B line spacing. Question number 33. Example of non-numeric data is option A employee address, B examination score, C bank balance, D all of these. And the correct answer is option A employee address. Question number 34. What is embedded system? Option A the program which arrives by being wrapped in box, B the program which is permanent part of the computer, C the computer which is the part of a big computer, D the computer and software system that control the machine. And the correct answer is option D the computer and software system that control the machine. Question number 35. First page of website is termed as option A home page, B index, C JavaScript, D bookmark, and the correct answer is option A home page. Question number 36. ... is the appearance of typed characters. Option A size, B format, C point, D color, and the correct answer is option B format. Question number 37. When a file is saved for the first time, option A a copy is automatically printed, B it must be given a name to identify it, C it does not need a name, D it only needs a name if it is not going to be printed. And the correct answer is option B it must be given a name to identify it. Question number 38. Office LANs which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected by the use of corporate. Option A CAN, B LAN, C DAN, D WAN, and the correct answer is option D WAN. Question number 39. Where are data and program stored when the processor uses them? Option A main memory, B secondary memory, C disk memory, D program memory, and the correct answer is option A main memory. Question number 40. ... represents raw facts, whereas ... is data made meaningful. Option A information reporting, B data information, C information bits, D records bytes, and the correct answer is option B data information. Question number 41. What characteristics of read-only memory ROM makes it useful? Option A ROM information can be easily updated, B data in ROM is not volatile, that is it remains there even without electrical power, C ROM provides very large amounts of inexpensive data storage, D ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computers. And the correct answer is option B data in the ROM is non-volatile, that it remains there even without electrical power. Question number 42. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Option A operating system extensions, B cookies, C diagnostic software, D boot diskettes. And the correct answer is option C diagnostic software. Question number 43. Which programming languages are classified as low-level languages? Option A Basic, COBOL, Fortran, and option B Prolog, C, C++, D. Assembly languages. And the correct answer is option D. Assembly languages. Question number 44. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Option A. NAV. B. Fprot. C. Oracle. D. MCAFEE. McAfee. And the correct answer is option C. Oracle. Question number 45. Param is an example of option A. Supercomputer. B. PC. C. Laptop. D. PD. And the correct answer is option A. Supercomputer. Question number 46. What does DMA stand for? Option A. Distinct memory access. B. Direct memory access. C. Direct module access. D. Direct memory allocation. And the correct answer is option B. Direct memory access. Question number 47. Which of the following is a storage device? Option A. Tape. B. Hard disk. C. Floppy disk. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 48. When did John Napier develop logarithm? Option A. 1416. B. 1614. C. 1641. D. 1804. And the correct answer is option B. 1614. Question number 49. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to data. Option A. 680 KB. B. 680 bytes. C. 680 MB. D. 680 GB. And the correct answer is option C. 680 MB. Question number 50. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by option A. Consumers. B. Workers. C. Foremen. D. Managers. And the correct answer is option D. Managers. Question number 51. What is a light pin? Option A. Mechanical input device. B. Optical input device. C. Electronic input device. D. Optical output device. And the correct answer is option B. Optical input device. Question number 52. BCD is option A. Binary coded decimal. C. Bit coded decimal. C. Binary coded digit. D. Bit coded digit. And the correct answer is option A. Binary coded decimal. Question number 53. ASCII stands for option A. American Stable Code for International Interchange. B. American Standard Case for Institutional Interchange. C. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. D. American Standard Code for Interchange Information. And the correct answer is option C. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 54. Which of the following is first generation of computer? Option A. EDSAC. B. IBM 1401. C. CDC 1604. D. ICL 2900. And the correct answer is option A. EDSAC. Question number 55. Chief component of first generation computer was option A. Transistors. B. Vacuum tubes and valves. C. Integrated circuits. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Vacuum tubes and valves. Question number 56. Fortran is option A. File translation. B. Format translation. C. Formula translation. D. Floppy translation. And the correct answer is option C. Formula translation. Question number 57. EEPROM stands for option A. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. B. Easily erasable programmable read-only memory. C. Electronic erasable programmable read-only memory. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option C. Electronic erasable programmable read-only memory. Question number 58. Second generation computers were developed during option A 1949 to 1955, option B 1956 to 1965, option C 1965 to 1970, option D 1970 to 1990, and the correct answer is option B 1956 to 1965. Question number 59. The computer size was very large in option A first generation, B second generation, C third generation, D fourth generation, and the correct answer is option A first generation. Question number 60. Microprocessors as switching devices are for which generation computers? Option A first generation, B second generation, C third generation, and D fourth generation, and the correct answer is option D fourth generation. Question number 61. Which of the following devices can be used to directly image printed text? Option A OCR, B OMR, C MICR, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option A OCR. Question number 62. The output quality of a printer is measured by option A dot per inch, B dot per square inch, C dots printed per unit time, D all of above, and the correct answer is option B dot per square inch. Question number 63. In analog computer, option A input is first converted to digital form, B input is never converted to digital form, C output is displayed in digital form, D all of above, and the correct answer is option B input is never converted to digital form. Question number 64. In latest generation computers, the instructions are executed. Option A parallel only, B sequentially only, C both sequentially and parallel, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option C both sequentially and parallel. Question number 65. Who designed the first electronics computer ENIAC? Option A Van Neumann, B Joseph M. Jacquard, C J Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly, D all of above, and the correct answer is option C J Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly. Question number 66. Who invented the high level language C? Option A Dennis M. Ritchie, B Nicholas Ritz, C Seymour Papert, D Donald Kuhn, and the correct answer is option A Dennis M. Ritchie. Question number 67. Personnel who design, program, operate and maintain computer equipment refers to option A console operator, B programmer, C peopleware, D system analyst, and the correct answer is option C peopleware. Question number 68. When did Arc, Rivals, IBM and Apple Computers Inc. decide to join hands? Option A 1978, B 1984, C 1990, D 1991, and the correct answer is option D 1991. Question number 69. Human beings are referred to as Homo sapiens. Which device is called Silico sapiens? Option A monitor, B hardware, C robot, D computer, and the correct answer is option D computer. Question number 70. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? Option A leech, B squid, C slug, D glitch, and the correct answer is option D glitch. Question number 71. Modern computers are very reliable but they are not. Option A fast, B powerful, C infallible, D cheap, and the correct answer is option C infallible. Question number 72. What is the name of the display feature that highlights are of the screen which requires operator attention? Option A, pixel. B, reverse video. C, touch screen. D, cursor. And the correct answer is option B, reverse video. Question number 73. Personal computers use a number of chips mounted on a main circuit board. What is the common name for such boards? Option A, daughter board. B, motherboard. C, fatherboard. D, breadboard. And the correct option is option B, motherboard. Question number 74. In most IBM PCs, the CPU, the device drivers, memory expansion slots, and active components are mounted on a single board. What is the name of this board? Option A, motherboard. B, breadboard. C, daughter board. D, grandmother board. And the correct answer is option A, motherboard. Question number 75. What is meant by a dedicated computer? Option A, which is used by one person only. B, which is assigned one and only one task. C, which uses one kind of software. D, which is meant for application software. And the correct answer is option B, which is assigned one and only one task. Question number 76. The system unit of a personal computer typically contains all of the following except option A, microprocessor. B, disk controller. C, serial interface. D, modem. And the correct answer is option D, modem. Question number 77. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language is called option A, interpreter. B, simulator. C, compiler. D, commander. And the correct answer is option C, compiler. Question number 78. A computer program that translates one program instructions at a time into machine language is called option A, interpreter. B, CPU. C, compiler. D, simulator. And the correct answer is option A, interpreter. Question number 79. A small or intelligent device is so called because it contains with it a option A, computer. B, microcomputer. C, programmable. D, sensor. And the correct answer is option D, sensor. Question number 80. A fault in a computer program which prevents it from working correctly is known as option A, boot. B, bug. C, biff. D, strap. And the correct answer is option B, bug. Question number 81. A self-replicating program similar to a virus which was taken from a 1970s science fiction novel by John Brunner entitled The Shockwave Rider is option A, bug. B, vice. C, lice. D, worm. And the correct answer is option D, worm. Question number 82. A state is a bistable electronic circuit that has option A, multivibrator. B, flip-flop. C, logic gates. D, Latin. And the correct answer is option B, flip-flop. Question number 83. Unwanted repetitious messages such an unsolicited bulk email is known as option A, spam. B, trash. C, Calibri. D, courier. And the correct answer is option A, spam. Question number 84. DOS stands for option A, disk operating system. B, disk operating session. C, digital operating system. D, digital open system. And the correct answer is option A, disk operating system. Question number 85. Who is the chief of Microsoft? Option A, Babbage. B, Bill Gates. C, Bill Clinton. D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Bill Gates. Question number 86. Which of the following are input devices? Option A, keyboard. B. Mouse, C. Card reader, D. Any of these. And the correct answer is option D. Any of these. Question number 87. Examples of output devices are option A. Screen, option B. Printer, C. Speaker, D. All of these. And the correct answer is option D. All of these. Question number 88. Which of the following is also known as brain of computer? Option A. Control unit, B. Central processing unit, C. Arithmetic and language unit, D. Monitor. And the correct answer is option B. Central processing unit. Question number 89. IBM stands for option A. Internal Business Management, B. International Business Management, C. International Business Machine, D. Internal Business Machine. And the correct answer is option C. International Business Machine. Question number 90. ... translates and executes program at runtime line by line. Option A. Compiler, B. Interpreter, C. Linker, D. Loader. And the correct answer is option B. Interpreter. Question number 91. ... is an OOP principle. Option A. Structured. Question number 91. ... is an OOP principle. Option A. Structured programming, B. Procedural programming, C. Inheritance, D. Linking. And the correct answer is option C. Inheritance. Question number 92. COBOL is widely used in application. Option A. Commercial, B. Scientific, C. Space, D. Mathematical. And the correct answer is option A. Commercial. Question number 93. RAM stands for option A. Random origin money, B. Random only memory, C. Read only memory, D. Random access memory. And the correct answer is option D. Random access memory. Question number 94. 1 byte is equal to what? Option A. 8 bits, B. 4 bits, C. 2 bits, D. 9 bits. And the correct answer is option A. 8 bits. Question number 95. SMPS stands for option A. Switched mode power supply, B. Start mode power supply, C. Store mode power supply, D. Single mode power supply. And the correct answer is option A. Switched mode power supply. Question number 96. The device used to carry digital data on analog lines is called as option A. Modem, B. Multiplexer, C. Modulator, D. Modulator. And the correct answer is option A. Modem. Question number 97. VDU is also called option A. Screen, B. Monitor, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Printer. And the correct answer is option C. Both 1 and 2. Question number 98. BIOS stands for option A. Basic input output system, B. Binary input output system, C. Basic input off system, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option A. Basic input output system. Question number 99. Father of C programming language. Option A. Dennis Ritchie, B. Professor John Kinley, C. Thomas Courage, D. Bill Gates. And the correct answer is option A. Dennis Ritchie. Question number 100. The instructions that tell a computer how to carry out the processing tasks are referred to as computer. Option A. Programs, B. Processors, C. Input devices, D. Memory modules. And the correct answer is option A. Programs. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like to this video, share this video to all of your friends, and we want feedback from you guys. So please drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.